Lesson 16. We have the sounds of oi, men, min, mon, and man. And then ye and ya. Principle number 1 is the sound of oi as in toy. So it is represented by O and then tiny circle. Okay, let us observe from the sounds of boy. B, oi. So this is the oi. Toy. T, oi. Join, J, oi, N. Oil, oi, L. Spoil, S, P, oi, L. Boil, B, oi, L. Annoy, A-N, oi. Point, P, oi, N-T. Appoint, A, P, oi, N-T. Principles of men, the sounds of men. So it is represented by joining M and N into one long forward stroke. Okay, let us observe the three words. Ni, N-E, me, M-E, many, M-N-E. So, mas mahaba na yung many dahil it is the combination of letter M and letter N. Men, M-N, mint, M-N-T, mental, M-N-T-L, mentioned, M-N-H-D, women, U-U-E, men, salesmen, S-A-L-S, men, businessmen, B-S, men, minded, M-N-did, immense, E-M-N-S. Min, mon, man is same with M-N. So again, it is also represented by joining the M and N into one long forward stroke. Minute, M-N-E-T, minimum, M-N-E-M-U-U-M, month, M-N over it, money, M-N-E, tiny circle, manner, M-N-R, manage, M-N-J. Sound of ye and ya is represented by E circle. Okay. Compare the ye and ya sounds. Okay. For ye as in year, E-R, yet, E-T, yellow, E-L-O, yes, E-S, yield, E-L-D, yielded, E-L-D-D. Then next for the sound of ya as in yard, A-R-D, yarn, A-R-N, yell, A-L. Then this is the capitalization. So, ibig sabihin, ang yell is big letter. Boy, B-oy, B-oy, Oy, T-oy. Join, J-O-N. J-O-N. Oil, O-L. Spoil, S-P-O-I-L. Boil, B-O-I-L. B-O-I-L. Annoy, A-N-O-Y. A-N-O-Y. Point, P-O-I-N-T. P-O-I-N-T. Appoint, A-P-O-I-N-T. A-P-O-I-N-T. Men, M-N. Mint, M-N-T. M-N-T. Mental, M-N-T-L. M-N-T-L. Mentioned, M-N-ish-D. M-N-ish-D. Women, U-U-E-M-N. U-U-E-M-N. Salesman, S-A-L-S-M-N. S-A-L-S-M-N. Businessman, B-S-M-N. B-S-M-N. Immense, E-M-N-S. E-M-N-S. Minute, M-N-E-T. M-N-E-T. Minimum, M-N-E-M-U-U-M. Month, M-N over it. Money, M-N tiny circle, E. Manner, M-N-R. Manage, M-N-J. Year, E-R. Yet, E-T. Yellow, E-L-O. Yes, E-S. Yield, E-L-D. Yielded, E-L-D. Dead. Yard, A-R-D. This is the full blend of RD. Combination siya, pinag-isa na. Yarn, A-R-N. Yell, A-L. And then this is the capitalization.